Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ here. This is my 1958 T-Bird, and I've had this car for 17 years with the intention of restoring it a little bit at a time, and it seems that I've just sort of moved on and do not have the money or time or energy to keep going with it. I've done numerous things to it, including a headliner and rebuilt this power steering pump and the engine and little things. Some things I can't even remember. I seem to have lost or misplaced my list of things that I've done to it. Anyway, it's being sold. It'll be going to Phoenix, Arizona, where it's supposed to be restored, at least to maybe a nice drivable condition. I don't know. But I'm filming a little bit of it, so I'll have a record of what I used to own, and I will have some still pictures of more detail of the bird at the end of this video. So here we go with a little more of the side shots. These cars were a unibody design. You do not replace fenders and stuff like that. It's all one piece. Okay, this was the first year, 1958, that they made a T-Bird that was a four-seater. The most sought-after birds are your 55, 56, and 57 birds. These birds here, 1958, 59, and 60, were called square birds, as you can see, and they were designed along the lines of a fighter jet. You can kind of get the idea when you see the badging and stuff like that. They wanted to make it look like it goes fast. Well, they came out with a 352 engine in this year, and it moved quite well. They had a 4-barrel carburetor on them by Ford, and normally the carburetor was referred to as the shoebox carburetor because it did look like a shoebox. I've replaced the carburetor on this one for Edelbrock, but the older carburetor goes with the car. I think we'll just take a peek inside through the back window. These cars had an inside hood latch, a padded dash, and a collapsible steering wheel. The power steering booster is underneath the dash as opposed to underneath the hood. The hood opens. Everything is designed that when you're doing 140 miles an hour or whatever it does, nothing blows off, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to start it up now and let it idle a little bit. That was a cold start. It was about 55 overnight, first time I started it up. I'm gonna miss it, I know that. Been around for 17 years and a lot of memory. I don't believe I've driven it maybe but 2 miles since I've had it. There she is, sounding good. Gonna miss that. Okay, I want to hear the exhaust one more time. These tailpipes, normally they cut down underneath the car. They cut down this way, like that. They don't stick out, but I believe I put new mufflers on it. And now stay tuned for some still pictures.